Hello students, Namaste. Very warm welcome to you in this class on the topic force and motion. I am Sushil Chandra Gautam to teach you here the science subject, and I am going to teach the topic force and motion, and this is our third period. In the previous class we discussed about the acceleration, velocity, uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity and others. And after this we are going to derive four equations here. Four equations related to the motion. Number one, we have four types of equation. Acceleration A is equal to V minus U divided by T. Second equation, S is equal to U plus V divided by 2 into T. Number third equation, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. And fourth equation is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Okay, these equations are very important by the examination point of view too. Okay, firstly let us prove the statement number one, acceleration A is equal to, or let us say this, also you can say V is equal to U plus AT, okay. You may be asked to prove A is equal to V minus U by 2. Also you may be asked to prove V is equal to U plus AT, that is the same thing. Okay, let's prove V is equal to U plus AT. You may be asked this question in two ways. A is equal to V minus U by 2 or V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, let's say here to prove all these statements we have the common language and common figure. Let's say for the proof of this statement, suppose this is a body of A which was moving with initial velocity u meter per second. Let's say its initial velocity is u meter per second. After some time, the same body reaches to this point and it attains the final velocity v meter per second. And if this body takes time t to travel the distance from here to here, means from point A to B, or let's say point A to B, it takes time t. And suppose this distance is S. Let's say this distance is how much? S. Then we can write the same language, same figure for the proof of all these statements. Let Suba S-U-V-A-T Suba. S is how, what here? Distance traveled. Distance traveled. U is what? Initial velocity. Initial velocity. V is what? Final velocity. A is what? Acceleration. And T is what? Time taken. That is the common language. Figure will be also the same. Language will also be the same for the proof of all this statement. So it is not hard. S-U-V-A-T Subat. These all terms are defined here. Okay, then now to prove this, now we have from the definition of acceleration, what do we have? Acceleration A is equal to change in velocity per unit time, because we have already defined acceleration, isn't it? Time. Change in velocity means what? Final velocity minus initial velocity. We have already discussed. Initial velocity by time as it is. Change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. Final velocity is what? V. Final velocity is what here? V. Minus initial velocity is what here? U. Divided by T is time. Then sir, what do we get here? A or what we are going to prove? A and T should be in the same place. Here is it in the condition of division. So when it comes before the equal sign, it becomes multiplication. AT is equal to V minus U. When that negative sign goes before the equal sign, at a time it becomes what? Positive. U plus AT is equal to V. Therefore, V is equal to U plus AT, which proves the statement V is equal to U plus AT. I think it is not difficult to prove. Just change in velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken. From the definition of acceleration we can do it. A is equal to final velocity means V, initial velocity means U, time taken means T. A T. b minus u. When that negative u goes to the before to the equal sign, it becomes plus. That is minus becomes plus. U plus 80, b is equal to u plus 80. That is the proof of first statement, and it is not hard to prove. Then now we are going to prove the second statement. S is equal to u plus b divided by 2 into t. Okay, I think you are clear about it. Let us prove the second statement. Okay, students? Okay, so let's prove the second statement. 2 number. S is equal to u plus b divided by 2 into t. Here, S is equal to u plus b divided by 2 into t. That second statement we are going to prove here. We have already said that the figure and the language is the same. SUBATCY. Now, to prove this statement, what we do here? Listen to me. We know what is average velocity. Average velocity. B bar. Average means mean velocity. X bar like X bar for velocity B bar only. Okay. Average velocity V bar is equal to, how many types of velocity we have? 2 types, initial and final velocity. Means while we are calculating the average of 3 and 4, what will you do? 3 plus 4 divided by 2. If there was 3, 4, 7, what will you do? 3 plus 4 plus 7 divided by 3. Means sum of all these numbers divided by how many numbers are there. So average velocity means here we have 2 types of velocity. One is initial velocity, another is final velocity. Divide by what? 2, because there are only 2 terms, so I keep here what? 2. U plus b divided by 2, equation 1. Also, average velocity means v bar is equal to, velocity means what? Displacement per unit time. What is displacement or distance here? Yes, means total distance traveled by a body per unit time is also what? Velocity. Total displacement is how much here? Yes. Divided by what? T. Distance traveled by time. That is equation 2. From 1 and 2, what we will get? This also V bar, this also V bar. If A is equal to B, B is equal to C, then what? A is equal to C. Then in a similar way, this is also V bar here and this is also V bar here. Means these terms and these terms are equal terms. Then S by T is equal to U plus V divided by 2. Then or S is equal to, that T is in the division form, when it goes to the after the equal sign, what will become it? Multiplication U plus V divided by 2 into T. That is the proof of second statement. I think it is not hard to prove. Average velocity is U plus V divided by 2. Average velocity is S by T. Both are the average velocity, means we can easily calculate, equal them. S by T is equal to U plus V divided by 2. S is equal to U plus V divided by 2 into T. Okay, students. Then now we are going to prove the third statement. What is there? B square is equal to U square plus 2AS. B square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Sometimes you may be asked, B square minus U square is equal to 2AS. You can easily prove it. Proof. Language figure same. Okay, for this we will note there for the third state proof of third statement. We know here we will raise from the equation 2 here to prove this statement. For the proof of the statement 3 and 4, we will use 2. Equation number 2. S is equal to U plus V divided by 2 into T. This statement is already proved. Now what value among them is not necessary here. Let's see. B is necessary. U is necessary. T, here for the proof of this statement, T is not required. So we should replace this T with some values related to U and P. And from the statement here, what we have? Acceleration is equal to B minus U by T. We need A, but we should remove what? T. A is equal to B minus U by T from the definition of acceleration. Means what? T is equal to what? T comes here, A goes here. Means B minus U divided by A. B minus U divided by A. Then what can we do here? S is equal to U plus V divided by 2. What can we put here? Instead of T, B minus U divided by A. From where these values come? A is equal to B minus U by T. T t is equal to b minus u by a. Then we have a plus b, a minus b. What will becomes a square minus b square. Similar way we use this condition here. U plus b, b minus u. Same thing. 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 is the same thing. 5. Means b plus u and u plus b is the same thing. B plus u, b minus u. Or yours is equal to b plus u, b minus u means what? B square minus u square. Divide by 2 into a, 2a. Or when this value comes here, 2as is equal to b square minus u square. Means that when that equal sign comes before to the, that minus negative sign comes before to the equal sign, then it becomes what? Positive. U square is equal to 2u square plus 2as is equal to b square. Therefore, b square is equal to u square plus 2as, which is the proof of this statement. We didn't do anything here, just we keep the value s is equal to u plus b divided by 2 into t from the equation 2. What value is not necessary here? U also necessary, b also necessary, just we do not need the value what? T. And we require what? A. So we have from the definition of expression a is equal to b minus u by t. T comes here, a comes there, goes there. Means that t is equal to b minus u by a. We replace this t with b minus u by a. B plus u, b minus u is b square minus u square, because a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. 2 into a, 2a when comes before to the equal sign, it becomes multiplied. 2as is equal to b square minus u square. That negative signs becomes positive, and we will get what? B square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is not hard to prove, I think. Again, we are going to prove the last statement here. The last statement is what? Yours is equal to ut plus half at square. Yours is equal to ut plus half at square. Yours is equal to ut plus half at square. For the proof of it, language is same, figure is same. Now again we go from the equation 2 to prove this statement 2. Now we have yours is equal to u plus v divided by 2 into t. What value is not needed here to prove this statement? U, it is needed. Yes, it is needed. A, here is not. T is also required. B is not required here. Every values among them are required, but just B is not necessary. There is no V, so we should replace the value of B here. Means that or S is equal to U plus. B means what here? You can see. B means what? U plus AT. Means B means U plus AT. Instead of B, we can put what? U plus AT. Divide by 2 as it is, U as it is, B U plus AT divided by 2 into T. Or yours is equal to U plus U, 2U plus AT divided by 2 into T. Or yours is equal to 2U into T, 2UT. If A plus B divided by 2 is there, then A by 2 plus B by 2. Means we can split the value. Similar way we split here. 2U divided by 2 means 2U2. 2UT divided by 2 plus AT into T, AT square divided by what? 2. 2 cancelled out. What we will get? Yours is equal to UT plus that 2 means 1 by 2. We can write here. AT square or AT square by 2, which is the proof of this statement. Okay, I think you are very clear about the proof of these 4 statements, and also I have already said these questions are very important by the examination point of view too, so note it down. Okay, thank you very much everybody. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Thank you very much.